Good morning, all. I will speak about Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Bihu is the festival of Assam. Assam famous silk and coffee and tea production. Thank you. I am from Punjab. I am from Odisha. Jeevesh Nagaland. Nagaland is Kohima. I am from Sikkim. From Tamil. I am from Chhattisgarh. This famous for Kosa silk. Folk dances are Karma, Bandi, Padwani. Thank you. From Meghalaya. Actually, I am Uttar Pradesh. Good morning, all. I am Asita. I am representing state of Arunachal Pradesh, the land of rising sun. We bring traditions and vibrant peace and patterns. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. This is Venba. I am going to speak about Manipur. Manipur is the capital of Manipur. Impal is the capital of Manipur. Thank you. Good morning, all. I'm going to talk about Kerala. Kerala is a beautiful state that was celebrated Onam. Their eating food name is Putta Sadhya. They celebrated their Onam 10 days. Their dance name was Mahagali. Thank you. I'm Leela. I'm from Goa. I am Gujarati.